All right. So just one last. The president, during his last talk to the people, apologized to the country where the Chinese nationals who were killed in a drug bust come from. No, why did the president apologize for the death of these drug suspects?
Well, siguro po kasi merong mga katungkulan ang lahat ng bansa sa mga dayuhan na nasa kanilang teritoryo, no? And the president said that the deaths were in fact by way of collateral damage to a legitimate sovereign exercise of police power.
All right. Thank you very much, folks. Harry.
Salamat, Trish.
Okay,
Rocky?
Thank you, Secretary. Tanong ni Laila Salaverrian na Inquirer, was it the doctor's appeal for ECQ that led to the deferment of the GCQ with granular lockdown? Similar question with Maricel Halili.
Well, sabihin na lang po natin that in fairness to the IATF, we did not waver dito sa resolve na humanap ng alternatibo sa hard lockdown. Na-postpone lang po talaga implementation dahil hindi po magkasundo. Number one nga, yung alert level 4 for Metro Manila. Kasi pumapalag ang mga lokal na mga opisyal dahil sinasabi nila na punong hospital namin dahil yung mga nasa probinsya ang nagpapakonfine sa mga hospital namin. So hindi kami kritikal at po pwedeng magbukas ang aming mga restaurant industry lalong-lalo na. No? Yun ang talagang pinag-uusapan. At syempre, isa pang pinag-uusapan nga is yung pribilehiyo na ibibigay nga sa mga vaccinated individuals. Yun po talaga ang dahilan na hanggang ngayon po hindi pa nare-resolve pa. Patuloy po ang debate.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.